Hi everyone, welcome to IFS Markets. I am Laura. Today is the 8th of June. Now let's look at what is buzzing. So going into the market buzz, we're selecting stock, and the stock I want to talk about today is Amazon. We can see for the past 24 hours, there are 283 articles towards it. Going into the sentiment analysis, we can see that people are feeling negative and the subjectivity is loading at the moment, but if it's closer to 0, that means people are being more rational. And it's 37%, which means people are being rational. In trend analysis, we can see the professionals at Trading Central are saying that it may fall by 8.52%. Now, since this is a stock, you might be wondering, what's the point of predicting that it's going to fall since you can't sell it? But here, the important thing that I gotta mention is that if you're trading with CFD, you'll be able to either buy a product or sell a product, which means you can make a profit of 8.25% here as well. Okay, now looking at the chart on top, they're saying short term, the downside prevails as long as 3308 is resistance. Again, this is a daily chart. We can see the current price is below the 20 days and 50 days moving average, and also below on the bottom of the Bollinger Band. This is the pivot point. Now, looking at the comment section, they are saying that the RSI is below its neutrally area at 50, and the MACD is below the signal line and negative. The configuration is negative. Below, it's a series of support and resistance. Hope you like today's video. One of the news that I'm gonna mention is today, Eurostat are releasing its data on the GDP. So it could be a news that we should pay attention on, especially if you're trading with Euro today. Hope you like today's video again, and hope you have a happy trading day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.